SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable character preview on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you often have trouble telling what letter you're typing in an app like Messages or Mail, then you could benefit from a keyboard setting called Character Preview. You can enable Character Preview on your iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and choose Keyboard here. Now you're just going to scroll through the different keyboard settings until you find Character Preview, and then you can tap the button to the right of that to enable it. Now you can go into an app that uses the default iPhone keyboard, such as Notes, and then you can tap inside a message field, and as you type a letter, you're going to see that a little preview of that letter is going to pop up as you're typing it, allowing you to more easily determine the letters that you're typing on the keyboard.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.